Now let's start with how to control fan coils by using the touchscreen and the multi-function actuator. First we choose the touchscreen database. And then choose the main page and the main page 1. And enabled with button 2, link with the HVAC function. Otherwise it will not be showed. Next we move to HVAC function and enabled channel 1. Enabled the heat or cool function and fan speed function. For the value of heat and cool mode, default number is 1 for heat, 0 for cool. Also enabled the fan speed, default number is 0 for off, 1 for low, 2 for medium, 3 for high and 4 for auto. Enabled the junction switch and the temperature of the fan coil. Here is the range for the temperature setting. And then we go back to the top of the description for HVAC1, name it whatever you want. Now we go to the heat or cool control setting. Because the fan coil had 2 pipes and 4 pipes different, we need to distinguish between this 2 difference. 1 pipe for the water and another pipe is for cooling and heating, and they share the same pipe is the 2 pipes fan coil. 4 pipes fan coil, 2 pipes for the water, and the cooling and heating had their own pipe that can be controlled separately. Oops! Forget one thing. Please go back to the basic setting and turn on the send internal temperature function. Now the setting of touchscreen is finished. Next step, please add 1 new middle group and name it whatever you like. Follow the video, add group address. Name it actual temperature. Name it pattern. Name it pattern state. Name it wind speed. Name it wind speed state. Name it switch of air conditioning. Name it switch of air conditioning state. Name it temperature setting. Name it temperature setting state. These are the group address we need for the fan coil. Now we start to link the group address with the function. Link the actual temperature with the send internal temp function. Link the pattern with the heat and cool mode output, and link the pattern state with the heat and cool mode input. Link the wind speed with the setting fan speed output, and link the wind speed state with the setting fan speed input. Link the switch of AC with the func switch output, and link the switch of AC states with the func switch input. Link the temperature setting with the setting temp output, and link the temperature setting states with the setting temp input. Now the touchscreen setting is totally finished with the group address. Let's move to next step multi-function actuator. Let's enable the fan coil 1 and choose 2 pipes or for pipes. We will use 2 pipes as sample. Because we select 2 pipes in the touchscreen, so we will use 2 pipes as sample. Also, the channels need to be assigned well and not used multifunctionally on one channel, otherwise it will not be worked. Because the switch incursion we already used channel 1 to 9, we will start with channel 10 to 14 right now. Cooling for out 10, heating for out 11, fan 1 for out 12, fan 2 for out 13 and fan 3 for out 14. Now start to link the group address with the multifunction actuator function. Link the actual temperature with the actual temperature function. Link the wind speed with the manual fan level function, and link the wind speed state with the status manual fan level function. Link the pattern with the HVAC control mode function, and link the pattern state with the status HVAC control mode function. Link the temperature setting with the setting temperature function, and link the temperature setting state with the status setting temperature function. Link the AC switch with the function switch function, and link the AC switch state with the status function switch function. As for now, all the setting is finished.